Welcome. If you are looking to spice up your diet while supporting your adrenal glands, well, you've come to the right place. Herbs can play a significant role in aiding your journey to better adrenal health. Think of herbs like the supporting actors in a blockbuster movie. While they may not take the lead role, they often steal the show with their incredible benefits. First of all, what is exactly adrenal fatigue? This condition arises from chronic stress that overwhelms your adrenal glands, causing a myriad of health issues from fatigue to blood pressure irregularities. Just like a car running low on oil, when your adrenals are depleted, the rest of your system struggles to work properly. Note, before incorporating any herbs into your routine, always consult a healthcare provider familiar with your adrenal fatigue status. Taking herbs when your system is already compromised can lead to negative effects. Let's now dive into some herbs that can improve your adrenal health. Licorice root, a natural stress buster that can also balance your cortisol level. Korean ginseng root, particularly beneficial for men but needs to be taken with caution. Ginseng root, a multitasker that helps everything from metabolism to stabilizing cortisol level. Ginkgo leaf, a centuries-old remedy for brain function and antioxidant support. Siberian ginseng root, help you battle stress and improve your metabolism. Ashwagandha root and leaf directly targets adrenal health to stabilize cortisol level. Now, for a special mention, Adrenal Rescue. Imagine this supplement as your personal first aid kit for adrenal fatigue, packed with adaptogens, glandulars, and liver supportive herbs, plus essential vitamins like vitamin C and B5. Adrenal Rescue offers you the nutritional backup you need for adrenal glands and the liver. Lastly, let's talk about some everyday herbs that you can also benefit from your adrenal health and overall well-being. Parsley for fluid retention. Vitamin C and has anti-inflammatory effects. Thyme for vitamin C and A, manganese, and lots of antioxidants. Peppermint for digestive problems. Chamomile for calm and mood stabilization. Cilantro is also very helpful to fight infections as well as help with vitamin C, K, A, and E, and inflammatory reduction. Rosemary for iron, calcium, and vitamin B6, as well as compound that may help with digestion and circulation. Well, that's all we have for today. If you find this information helpful, please hit the subscribe button, like, and share with others so they can also journey to better health. We are always here to help you control your health journey.